we'll guide you through how to use the ClickUp Chrome extension to streamline your workflow. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Chrome browser and head over to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type ClickUp and press Enter. Find the ClickUp Chrome extension in the results and click on it. Then, you need to click the Add to Chrome button, followed by Add Extension in the pop-up that appears. Once installed, you can see the ClickUp icon in the top right corner of your browser. Click on the icon to open the extension. You'll need to log in with your ClickUp credentials, so enter your username and password and click Login. Now, you're ready to start using the extension. The ClickUp Chrome extension allows you to create new tasks directly from your browser. Simply click the extension icon, then click New Task. Enter the task name, description, and any other details you need. You can also assign it to a specific project or list by selecting from the drop-down menu. Additionally, it allows you to track time using the built-in timer. Just click the timer icon when you're starting a task, and click again to stop it. This is perfect for keeping track of your productivity while working online. You can also capture screenshots and attach them to tasks, offering a visual reference for your projects. To do this, click the camera icon within the extension, select the area of the screen you want to capture, and it will automatically attach to the task you're working on. The ClickUp Chrome extension is a powerful tool that integrates seamlessly with your ClickUp workspace, making project management more efficient. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.